Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you decided to spend a little time with me today. If you are new here, welcome. If you are one of my old faithfuls, welcome back. My name is Menee, and I am so excited just to share something special with you today. As you might have noticed, the channel has a fresh new name. Now it is Crocheting with Menee. Why the change? You might ask. Well, I've always believed in following my passions, and lately crochet has been such a huge part of my life. It's not just about making the beautiful things. It's about creativity, relaxation, and connecting with others who share the same love for yarn and hooks that I have. So I decided it was time to refocus this channel and truly embrace what brings me joy. Here on Crocheting with Menee, I'll be sharing step-by-step tutorials, fun and easy crochet projects, helpful tips for beginners, and even some yarn hauls and product reviews. Whether you're just starting out or you've been crocheting for years, there's something here for everyone. I also want this channel to be a space where we can connect as a community, where we inspire and encourage each other to create and explore. Crochet is more than just a craft. It's a way to express yourself, make meaningful gifts, and even relax after a long day. And let's face it, it's just plain fun to do. So if you're ready to get hooked, pun totally intended, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. And I'll be posting here every week, so please be looking out for me. The videos are going to be full of creative ideas and inspiration. Thank you so much for supporting this journey and being here as Crocheting with Menee embarks on this new adventure. Y'all have an amazing day, and I will see y'all later. Bye-bye.